Hey guys, it's Nick and today I'm going to be making another video. So if you've seen my pizza factory video, I said I was going to do an obby, and I'm doing the mega fun obby today. And let's go up here. This is where the obby starts. Oh, whoa. Okay. We're on level 2 already. Oh. This is... Why are these so easy? I just walk on that wall. Okay, sorry. Being a little bit weird there. I swear to you, I jumped on that because I knew that. Why are there coins? Oh, there's coins there. Oh, wait a second. Never mind. So these levels are getting a little bit harder, so I don't know if I'll make it to the end. I'll make a part 2, and if I can't finish it in the part 2, if I can't do it in the part 2, I'll do a part 3. This one, because it's long. Is anybody even playing this? Oh yeah, there's some people playing. I see no one so far. Alright, so they're still pretty easy, but they're definitely getting harder. This. Okay, so how many 14 stages? So, there's so many coins. Whoa, downhill. Okay, so I can barely see it, but how many stages are there? I have no idea. I hope I could go up soon because you go up. So, whoa. Okay, this might be a little bit hard to do. Although it's just walking. Okay, they're not getting too hard yet. Oh my god. I was like super. Oh, why did I jump like that? This is really long. Okay, I'm already at level 30. I was just oh, hello. I'm just gonna leave you now. Wait, what level? It's like, oh, she needed. Don't step on my head. Just go on, not too hard. Oh, I remember this part. It's hard. This is the part where it gets harder. Okay. My hands are really shaky on the mouse. Sorry for playing a shaky person. What? Oh no, not the. Oh my. That's so amazing. I did. Why does it have to be red? Oh. I remember dying so many times on this one. Oh, come on, these jumps. I don't like diagonal jumps. Oh. Just missed that. Ah. That's so bad at it. No. No. Come on. Let's go. What are these? Oh, do you just like walk? It's really hard. That one's really hard to just walk. So. Jump. Jump. I'm going to try the middle blocks. Oops. I know it's possible to do that jump. It's just really hard. I'm not going to do that jump. Seriously. I hate when those come up. Ugh. I don't want to do this one. Okay. Do I seriously? Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. That's stressful. Level 60 I'm a real pro. Oh, it's so easy. Oh, I just wanted to see. Oh no. I think I know. Okay. Oh, thank you. I don't want to do any cheats today. I don't even have any Robux, so. Usually people just. Oh my god, that's so creepy. I knew I was going to be there. Okay, these are actually really hard. Oh. Why are these so big? This one's so easy. They're big. So you think it would be easy. Oops. Easy. Can you jump? Wait, can you actually jump? No. Stop. I did not touch it. Jump. Let's go. Jump, 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 jump. 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 Oh my god, if I mess up right there, I would be so mad. Why is this guy walking? He's such a noob. He thinks it's hard. Yeah, you just jump if you think it's hard. Just jump like this. Professor. Yeah, you're getting it. You're getting it, bro. Okay, come to me. Come to the pro. Come to the pro, you guys. If you see me, I look like this. If you guys see me, You can join Mega Obby right now. If you see O P P P OOII P P P P P P P P. I don't really know what to do on this one. Oh, there's blocks right there. This one looks really hard. Oh, it's actually pretty easy, but this one actually looks hard. Did I just skip one? Harlem Brown and I'm jumping. Yeah, it's getting really hard. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks so cool. I think it makes you have better luck whenever you helps you. Jump, 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 jump. Sorry, my nose is really running. How hard is this stage? Can I just get that one? Guys, nah. Sorry. Okay, where are you again? Oh, whoa. Looks like I was all the way up there. Come on, I didn't even jump. I didn't even jump. Oh, please don't tell how many. Oh my god. It's gonna be so annoying. Never mind, it wasn't annoying at all. Oh my god. That stage. I just love it. I love it to my life. Oink. Oops. Oink, 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 oink. Come here. Level 74. Come on, just a couple more stages. How high are these levels? Oh my gosh, second place. I never qualified. 194. I decided to stop.